I just say hello. So you can see I got the read status. AI sent a response to this number. Hi there, how can I assist you today? Who are you? Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the quick demo of SaaSWA. So those who don't know about SaaSWA is the all-in-one tool for WhatsApp campaigns and AI responses. So when it comes to the AI responses, customer support and all other things are included under here. So I just go to the profile. So I have already registered my WhatsApp Business Manager and set up everything here. In the right side you can able to see user information and WhatsApp Business Manager information. In the left side I can able to see my configured phone number, profile picture, display name, about, category, address, email and the website. So directly I jump to the chat. So this page is similar to the WhatsApp web application. So I just click one contact. So here I can able to see the previous chat history. So you can see send template and start the conversation. As a business, if I want to start the conversation with the customer, definitely I should have to start with the template. If the customer responds, then only I can able to send other messages. So you can able to see send template and start conversation. So if I click this button, here I need to choose a template. So I'm going to choose that offer. In the left side you can able to see template preview. In the right side header params. So this template only have one parameter, that is image. So if you have attached any image, you can able to send it to the customer. So I select the image and I upload. So if I send this message, the contact will be receive this response. So I just go to that next thing, message templates. So when it comes to the message templates, there are two types of message templates available. One is marketing, another one is utility. The marketing, as name says, this is used to marketing purpose. The utility, you can send order updates, some kind of other utility type of templates in here. So you can able to create under this category. So in my case, I am going to create a marketing template. So I just going to name it as SaaSWA Promotion. So I keep the language as English and I choose the template type as marketing. The header. So in the header I am going to choose the image SaaSWA and here I am going to type. So I just type the waiting is over, SaaSWA has been released. Photo I just type. So nothing else is our company and the buttons. So I am going to keep a website button. So here is the URL, right? So I keep the type as URL and the visit website, static type and SaaSWA and paste it here. And that's all for now. I just click submit for review. I just click continue. So template has been created. You can able to see, I can see the pending status. So it takes some time to get approved from the Meta. So wait for some time and I just go to the next part, the contacts. So when it comes to the contacts, you can able to see the group available, right? The group and the country code. You can see this is LK. LK means Sri Lanka. I'm going to create a group. The group name is and country code is Sri Lanka. So I'm going to target the Sri Lankan users. So here there are two options. One is import the contacts via CSV. So if you have the multiple contact list via CSV or Excel, you can import it. In this demo, I'm going to show that the manual import. So I just click at, I'm going to give my name. My name is Prasad and my phone number. So once I click outside, you can able to see the country code and plus it's already added. So I just keep it as it is and I just click submit. So I just click create. The SaaSWA release promotion, the group has been created. So as of now, I only added one number that is appearing in the right side. So I just go to the bulk messaging. You can see first I create a template, second one I create a contact, third one I'm going to send the bulk messaging, fourth one I can able to see the analytics. So first I'm going to message templates. So still I am getting the pending status. So it takes some time to get approved from the Meta as usual. I already created a similar template like this and that's got approved. So I'm going to that bulk messaging again. So now I'm going to create a campaign, I mean the bulk campaign name. And here I'm going to choose a template. So I'm going to choose this one. So this is hello, we are from SaaSWA team. Thank you for the demo. Click the header param. So here in the header, so I'm going to attach a image. So the image contain all the information. The WhatsApp marketing tool with the AI integration, SaaSWA release now. So I just click upload. So the image has been uploaded for this template. And the third one is select the group. So this is a group I created just before in the contacts. So I just choose this contact and I just click send. So in the right side you can able to see request is processing and template process successfully. So this is a message I sent it from the SaaSWA to this number. So hello, we are from SaaSWA team, thank you for your demo. So the template I have sent successfully. So now I am going to the analytics. So in the analytics I can see in the last SaaSWA demo camp, right? This is the campaign I have sent it just before. I have sent one template, I have sent to one contact and that could succeed. So I just click view. So in the campaign details I can see the sender's mobile number, I mean this number, and the template name and the group name and when was it created, right? So today, and the recipient number, and that could succeed. So this is basic analytics, right? Sometimes this is not enough, right? So what I'm saying is, so if we go to the message templates, so this is a template I used to send the promotion. So in the right side you can able to see analytics. So if I click the view over the time period, the messages, right? So let's see, I send one, that is delivered, and that is read, and click is 0, and the cost. So likewise analytics under the templates will give all the insight about that message. You can able to track all of the information from last 25 days. So I just go to the AI chat. Those who don't know how to create the OpenAI assistant and set up in the SaaSWA, so I have created a separate video. Please check the link in the description. So I'm going to enable this bot and click save. So this is a number, I just say hello. So you can see I got the read status. AI sent a response to this number. Hi there, how can I assist you today? Who are you? You can see I am a sales agent for SaaSWA. How can I assist you with the SaaSWA today? So what's happening here is, so I send a message. The OpenAI, right, the assistant is sending a request to this OpenAI here and getting the response from this file, something coming from the document, right? So this is assistant, it's working in this WhatsApp. There are multiple ways you can interact with SaaSWA and use it for your business. So if you have any further clarification, you can contact us. We always ready to help you. And that's all, and thank you so much guys.